Hello YouTube, Anthony, my helper. We are going to assemble this ANPABO really cool dump truck in color blue.
Daddy, look it.
What is that?
It's for this.
Charger.
Yeah.
Keep it in there, okay? Don't mix it up.
Okay, let's put it.
Big tires with bearings, really nice on both sides. I'll take all of this, laid right here in the garage, and we will get assembled. Nice manual, detailed. This is gonna go well. Right here, 12 volts, 110 pounds. So let's see. Well, actually it says 24, so I'll need to check which one this is. I believe it's supposed to be the 24 volts. Let's check it out.
Daddy.
Now I have everything on the ground right here, 4 wheels. These are the rear ones. We'll get the traction from that motor over there. Not a lot of parts, not a lot of screws, so I think this is gonna be a pretty quick assemble. Right there is the seats, the wheel covers, the bucket. Really cool. I like to see the size of this battery. Look at this. This is a big battery. I believe it's a 24 volts. Let's check this out right here. Yeah, 24 volts. This is a speed controller. Really cool. Everything looks like it's in place. Oh, I have a part here. Need to find out where this goes. Put in there with the other parts. Looks like the doors are going to be open right here. So you need to assemble the whole thing so it locks in place right here. But so far, looks good. Nice steering wheel. This is the lever to lift the bucket. The key goes right here, on and off. I believe high and low speed, forward and reverse. Where's the key, Anthony? Let me see.
Let's see.
This particular model comes with a key.
Oh.
Insert in there.
This way, this.
Oh yeah.
Tony,
It's starting, Anthony.
yeah.
Save this key, okay?
It's really warm.
Really nice.
Try it again. Okay.
First step, flip upside down. And let's follow this first step right here. Remove this screw from here. This is gonna turn and attach right here. So remove this, attach the bolt from here to here. Not a big deal. Important step here. This part was already assembled here, but I noticed that this was not connected here. So if this is not connected, you need to unassemble the cover, put this right here, and then you take this from here and attach it over here. Now it looks straight, and when you turn one side, the other one changes as well. Now I'm gonna put this part back in place. Installing the first wheel is pretty simple. Just pay attention that this is all like round. This is the side that goes facing the car. If I flip this over, you have clip points right here. That's where you're gonna put this on later on. So first, get one of the washers, put it right there, just like that. Get your wheel. Nice that there are bearings, 2 bearings on these wheels. Put one more washer, and then you go and you tighten this nut really snug. Do this for both sides, and then we're gonna probably do the rear. To do the rear, there's this long bar right here. This bar has to go all the way through. This motor is gonna be mounted right here. Put the wires back in like that, and then get this bar goes through here, all the way there, through that motor, and then you put the other 2 wheels in the back. To lock those 2 wheels, you need to secure with these 2 tools right here. Hold one side and tighten the other one. If you just do one side, it's gonna rotate because it's just one single bar. For this wheel, one of these is enough. Right now I have all the 4 wheels on the truck. Nice big tires and wheels in the front. as well as in the back. Anthony just started the vehicle again. We did this already. We already put the rear wheels. Now we are going to assemble the steering wheel. Well, the steering wheel is already in place. Can you turn it on? Let's make sure the horn is working. Music and horn. So that's already installed. That's not a hard task. Just make sure you put this screw on right there, and it should be good. Well, looks like I forgot to put the nuts. So I need to put the nuts right there.
Daddy, I want this put on.
We will put in a minute, okay? So right now we need to put this piece, which are right here, already prepped with the screws. Pay attention to the orientation. So you see, those are not identical parts. So this one goes in the left, or I mean, yeah, that's the left side. Goes right there, like that. Tie this. Do the same thing over there. And then the door is gonna be fixed in place. This is this step right here, putting the doors on. Then we will do the bucket and put the bucket on the truck. And I think this is about it. There isn't really too many more parts. For the bucket, 4 screws here. This piece goes right here. And then you have 2 plastic parts that goes in the side right here, just like that. And then you come one screw from below and one from the side. And it's gonna lock this in place like that, so you can hold your shovel. Anthony is having a lot of fun here while we are assembling this really cool blue truck, dump truck. Well, just notice that the screw actually goes from the top and not from the bottom as I thought so. So put the screw from the top and then one go in the side. So we're gonna flip this bucket over, and this is the other 2 screws right here. Well, we have done all the screws right here. So you need to make sure you align. Let's see if I can get this black part goes right there, as well as this black part goes right here. So the blue is in the back 4 screws.
Let's put it there.
Oh yeah, you need to put the shovel there. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Good job, Anthony. Let's finish up this. So right here, 3 screws right here,
Daddy, how about
4 screws
this
there.
one? Daddy, what
And then from here,
Daddy,
you can lift up and down, but it needs to be on.
Daddy, how about this one?
We're gonna put right there, see the mounting hose? But right now we need to finish this. This is for looks only, but yeah, it needs to be mounted right here. And I believe it takes one of these,
I'm gonna put it on because
as well as one of these little nuts right here. From this side, you have this really nice plastic part. It goes right here. It gives this really nice look for the truck. Oh, I can see the headlights here. Nice. Just like that. Cool. That's it, right, Anthony? Let's do this one now. Bigger to the top, smaller to the bottom. So it goes right here, just like that. Push it in place, just like that. And also I added this plastic part in the front as well. Really cool. Pretty much one of the final pieces here goes right here. And then clicks in place, like that. And the seats, which are now not fixed yet, make sure you pull your seat belt to the top, like that. There is a locking mechanism right here. Put this in place. And then just do the 1 bolt here, 1 bolt right here, and that's it. Not hard at all. And this is gonna do it for this really nice big blue truck. So that's it. It comes with a remote control. I will put batteries on. Comes with a charger. And let's do the review with Anthony now. Looks like the car is ready. Really nice big blue dump truck. Are you ready, Anthony? All right, so let's do it. So thank you for watching the assembly video. Now we're gonna do a running video with Anthony.